Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed some part of the grammar from the lesson C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. So, today we are going to continue the remaining part of the grammar. So, if you see in your textbooks, Roman number 3, list 20 phrases from the text that begin with a, an, or the. Then put 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 3C, or 3D against them depending on how a, an, or the is used. One is done for you. So, here in our last class, we have seen about the uses, how we use articles, isn't it? So, a and the are articles. We all know that. So, here they are asking us to find them from the text. Means from the lesson, they are asking us to find the text which begin with a, an, or the. So, after finding them, they are asking us to put 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 3C, or 3D against them. Means against them depending on how a or an or the is used. Means how we use them depending on that. They are asking us to put 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 3D, or 3C. So here first one they have done for us. So see here, an old building, an old building, they have given number 2. See, so this 20 sentences I have done for you. So I want you to write them neatly in your notes without any spelling mistakes. So see the first, the busy Bow Bazaar street. The busy Bow Bazaar street, write 3A. Second, the headquarters of, write 3A. Second one, the headquarters of, for that also you have to write 3A. Third, a fine evening, a fine evening, you have to write 1. Next, fourth, a visitor, you have to write 1. Next is fifth, a young man. Fifth one, a young man, for that also you have to write 1. Sixth, the Nobel Prize. Sixth, the Nobel Prize, for that also you have to write 3A. Seventh, the Indian Association. Seventh, the Indian Association, for that also you have to write 3A. Eighth, the first Indian. Eighth, the first Indian, for that also you have to write 3A. Next is ninth, the visitor. For ninth one, the visitor, you have to write 3B. Next is 10th, the kind of matter. The kind of matter, for that also you have to write 3B. 11th, an assembly of. 11th, an assembly of, for that you have to write 2. Number 2. Next is 12th, a red letter day. 12th is a red letter day, for that also you have to write 1. 13, a discovery. 13, a discovery, for that also you have to write 1. Next, 14, a college physics teacher. 14th, a college physics teacher, for that also you have to write 1. Next is 15, an impression. An impression, so for that you have to write 2. For this 15th one, an impression, you have to give number 2. Next is 16, the sitar. The sitar, for that you have to write 3D. Generally, if you have observed, if it is starting with a, we are giving 1. If it is starting with an, we are giving 2. And if the letter starting with the, depending on the sentence, we are giving 3A, 3B, 3C, and 3D. So, for the 16th, the sitar, we have to write 3D. Next is 17, a great award. 17. A great award. So we have to give 1. 18th. The Royal Society of London. 18. The Royal Society of London. 3A. 19. A knight. 19. A knight. We have to write 1. 20. A high honor. 20. A high honor. For that you have to write 1. After this, see here. Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So they have given fill in the blanks and they are asking us to fill those blanks with a, an or the. So this one also I have done it for you. I want you to write them neatly without any spelling mistakes in your notes. So see the first one. In 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. In the blank you have to write the. First one, in 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the. In this blank you have to write the. Awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. Second, we dined yesterday at the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Second one, we dined yesterday at the. In that blank you have to write the. After at, in the blank you have to write the. We dined yesterday at the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Third, Tejasvi lent me an interesting book. Tejasvi lent me an. In the blank you have to write an interesting book. Fourth, my father is a school teacher. My father is a school teacher. After is you have to write a in the blank. Next, fifth, M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. So in the blank you have to write the. Sixth, Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. So in the sixth blank you have to write a. Seventh, Shravani is eating a mango. Shravani is eating a mango. So seventh blank you have to write a. Next is eighth. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. So eighth blank you have to write an. Next, ninth. Ram Babu is an English teacher in a high school. Ram Babu is an. In the blank you have to write an English teacher in a high school. 10th. Manjula and Shruti play the guitar well. Manjula and Shruti play the guitar well. So in the blank, 10th blank you have to write the. So I hope you all have understood this, and I want you to write them neatly without any spelling mistakes. And also students, I want all of you to complete all your notes, and you have to be prepared as you're coming to schools from tomorrow. I want all of your notes to be up to date and it should be completed. So we'll be continuing the remaining part of the class in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.